This message is for those who think they are righteous because they don't lie, keep their promises, and honor agreements. But wait, you could still be a hypocrite. Hypocrisy is not a small flaw, it is a grave spiritual disease. The Prophet Muhammad, may peace be upon him, warned, a person who has all four traits is a pure hypocrite. And anyone who possesses even one of these traits carries a characteristic of hypocrisy until it is given up. These four traits are: when entrusted, the person betrays the trust; when speaking, the person lies; when making an agreement or a contract, the person breaks it. And listen to the fourth important one: when in an argument, the person becomes abusive, insulting, and unjust. I want to pause on the fourth one because it is the most common, that in an argument or a quarrel, words become weapon and people justify insult in the name of being right. So watch your words, your behavior, because unconsciously you may be developing a trait of hypocrisy. Human character is built on truthfulness, on sincerity, on moral integrity. Hypocrisy destroys all three. If you are wrong, admit it. Don't defend your ego. Remember this: a sinner who admits their weakness is closer to God than the hypocrite who pretends virtue.